Okay guys, let's start our work. So I am at Bootstrap website, so I copy this part and go to my text editor, paste it on here. After that I remove this title and I save it in landing page 2 folder. There has image folder. So anyway, I save it in landing page 2 and I will name it like index.html. Then I save it, then I will refresh it. So let me go to that folder. Yeah, this is the one. So just give me a minute. I will open it in here. Okay, hello world, that is our project, so I remove that part. After that we need to build this background. So build this background, I have to set the background image. So in previous video I get this background image, so let's do it. To do that I have to go there and I will create new div tag and I will close it. After that I will add the style called background image. In background image we have set URL. So URL is img/img is my folder and image name is bg.jpg. Copy it, paste it on here. After that, let me minimize this. After that we have to use background size tag, background size, cover and background repeat, no repeat. Okay, nice. Then if I refresh it, never happen. Yeah, never happen. The reason for that is we have to set height to this page. So in HTML tag I create a style tag. In style tag height is 100% and I have to go to body. In body tag style height is 100%. After that I go to my div tag is div style tag and its height is 100%. So if I refresh now I should see the background. Okay, great. Now I need to add this text. So I will copy this text and go to text editor. After that I will just paste on here, but I have to create layout. So to create layout I create div class controller not controller container yeah, I think words are correct. Then I have to create div class of call md and I have to close the div. After that I will cut this and paste it down here. Now if I refresh, okay, there has that text. Now I have to convert this text to h3. Let's add h3 and let's add some classes. So class text center. Yeah. Now I need add h1 to here, h1 and h1. Actually this is a so basic template. I will add more functions and more I will add more features when I do it. So do your research and add some features. So because features mean add some design. So if I refresh it, okay, my text like this. So this text is little bit big, so let's change it to H4, heading 4. Okay, I save it. After that, refresh it. Okay, refresh. What the heck? Something wrong. What happened? I don't have idea, but the Chrome is stuck. Let me fix it. Sorry about that, my browser is stuck. Okay, now we have text, so we need add some padding. Add padding. I need to add padding top 3. Let's add padding top 2 and padding top 2. Sorry about that. And refresh it. Okay, great. Now we have our text. So I need to bold this text and add some style. So let me bold it. Okay, I have to create new style. Font size bold. Font size bold. Let's see what will happen. Nothing happened. Don't worry about that. I think let me try it. What? Let me check how to bold text. Okay, I found it. It's not font size, it's font weight. Okay, let's try it again. Nice. Now let's add some shadow. Text shadow. It will be 0 pixel, 10 pixel, and color is white. Nice. I add same CSS style to H1, and I will add same CSS style to H4. Okay, I refresh it. Voila! Now we have text with little bit this so anyway, now we have text. So if I do this again, I will add some I will create PNG as I will create this text as PNG, and I will add it as image, because it will be nice more than this. So, this is our image. I mean, this is our landing page. So let's add button to go to this landing page. So our button, let's add button like click here to watch. Click here to click here PNG. Let's get click here button here. Click here to watch the video PNG. This will be better. Let me find good image. Click to watch the video. Oh, watch watch video, watch the video. Okay, nice. Let's get this off. It's PNG, so I save it and I paste it on my image folder. After that I will change it to button.png. Okay, great. Now I go back and I add here div class text center. After that I close the div, then I create image tag. Image src will be img mean our image folder, then button.png. After that I will add class. Class will be img fluid. So let's check it. Okay, we have big button, so let's reduce the button size. Okay, to reduce button size I have to create a style and weight is let's add 60%. Okay, no, not 60. Let's add like 20%. That's too small. Let's add 35%. This is the final. Okay, let's put it as like that. After that we have to add some padding. To do that, and padding top 5. Let's see. Okay, great. Now someone click this button, he will redirect to this page. So to do that I have to add anchor tag. So anchor tag href is empty for now. Target is new. Then let's add href. So this is my ClickBank product URL. So let me add it here. Nice. Now refresh it. If someone click it, he will redirect to my promotional page or my affiliate page. Then he will watch this video and purchase the item if he like it. So this is how I do this. This is how I create a similar landing page. So it's so easy. I create Patreon account, so I will add this source code to that Patreon account, so you can download it. That Patreon account price is $3 per month. So I will upload my source code which I do on videos. Also I will upload PSDs and design stuff like that. So if you like, you can join to my Patreon account and give little bit support to me. Okay, so I will see you in next video. Bye bye.